kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn A for aeroplane, B for butterfly, colors made, skin color, light grey color, green color, dark green color, brown color, pink color, yellow color, orange color, light green color, purple color and dark grey color. Let's start. Light blue color, A for aeroplane. Orange color, B for butterfly. Yellow color, dark yellow color, C for carrot. Brown color, D for dog. Blue color, E for elephant. Orange color, F for fish. Dark yellow color, G for goat. Green color, H for hen. Blue color, I for ice cream. Orange color, J for joker. Yellow color, K for kite. Green color, L for lion. Blue color, M for mango. Orange color, N for nose. Yellow color, O for owl. Blue color, P for piano. Orange color, Q for queen. Green color, R for rat. Blue color, S for sister. Orange color, T for tomato. Dark yellow color, U for umbrella. Green color, V for village. Blue color, W for water. Orange color, X for xylophone. Dark yellow color, Y for yak. Green color, Z for zebra. So kids, what we learned today? We learned abcdefg hijkl mnop qrstuvwxyng. Now I know my ABC. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with a new topic. Till then, bye.